Right. To a minor degree, but the thing is you can't move it from here, say, over to there.
Yeah, I wouldn't dream of trying
But
that.
you can move it, you know, a foot that way or a foot this way or whatever. Won't make any difference. Right, so where's the main box?
Just
Main box. Oh, yeah. And I am going to. So, that's the box.
Right.
And the quilt. There's a quilt somewhere.
What is a quilt?
Piece of
burlap.
hessian. Yeah. Okay, there's two. This is actually the quilt.
Oh, is it? Oh,
Right.
oh, sorry.
That fits there.
Lovely.
But we have a piece of hessian that goes over
I
that.
see.
Right.
This, I can try that.
Yeah.
But it's nice to give them a bit of shelter. I like the shelter.
I don't know where that is, but anyway. For everybody's edification, this is a Warre hive, and it's a more natural way of keeping bees than the regular hive, because the bees do everything in there. We don't put foundation in, we don't treat them with chemicals, we don't do anything really. The bees do everything in their own house.
I noticed the bottom section is completely empty.
Pardon?
The bottom section is completely empty.
It is, but it has these what we call top bars.
And they build down from that, do they?
Yes, and there's a. Yeah. You see, there's a strip of wax on there,
Oh, so
and that's just to indicate to them that you want them to build along that line.
okay.
All right. If we didn't put that strip there, they'd build anywhere. Right. It's a guidance thing, you know.
We're going to be YouTube winners here with this.
So that's your. Right. What's that?
Do we need to fasten that, or does that just rest?
No, it will when the bees get going.
It'll stick together.
They'll stick it down themselves.
Okay.
And the reason that if we want to look at them, you can just take this quilt off and then you just lift the corner.
Okay, yeah.
But the idea behind, well, right, you don't mess around with them really. You let them do their own thing. So you don't want to be coming every morning and lifting the corner of the quilt. You just leave them and let them do their own thing, because you can actually tell what's happening inside the hive by just seeing the activity on the outside.
Right.
You know, if you watch the bees, you can tell what's happening inside.
Oh, this is the ramp they're going to walk up.
That's right.
Christian was telling me about, yeah.
So, and now we've got a cloth somewhere, Christian, a white cloth. You know, the one we used the other night.
Look at that. Can you hold the bush back round? I think it's going to. Do we need to cut that off or pin it back now?
Yeah. Okay.
Looks like a Swiss chalet.
This, by the way, don't worry about that. This will be changed. This is all I got.
So we'll go skiing.
Yeah. Shoot.
So,
Now you probably want to be here.
now, it
Bloody
would be
hell,
good.
there's directors,
Have we got
producers.
something that we can put underneath here so that it comes level with that? So a couple of bricks. Are there any
What
bricks
about
around?
logs
or-
in the garage?
There's some bits of plastic over there. By the, that's it. What about that bin there? Would that do?
Where's Millie got to?
It might be in there for all we know.
Yeah, she might do.
Yeah, try that.
Yeah, try it.
Too high.
Yeah. So you can
Don't risk that.
Maybe just,
It's all right, isn't
I'll
it?
just rest it, Christian.
Yeah, okay.
The thing is though, it is a bit steep.
No, that looks perfect. You can put that further out to the right tune of it. Bang on. Love it.
No, that's tilted. No, you need something at the back. See, what I'm getting at is that rise is a bit much. Something like a brick.
Bee red carpet.
Yeah. Put it on the ground.
Has a slant on it.
Yeah. Or put it on the ground. If you put that across on the ground, it's sort of. That's
With
it.
the bells and all, this is a distinctly bucolic.
Moving moment.
Yeah.
Right. So.
Can we do